Hi dear second baccalaureate students, welcome back to our new lesson on education, unit 1. There are several types of education, but the most frequent ones are formal, non-formal, and informal education. So let's look at the definition of each one of these words. Formal education refers to the types of learning that are taking place in an educational institution. For example, when you go to school, this is formal education. Where there is a syllabus, you have a program to finish. You have a teacher and is usually recognized in qualification or certificate. For example, at the end of this year, you will take your baccalaureate degree. You will have a diploma. The second type of education is called non-formal education. This type of education refers to learning through a program like formal education, but the difference is that it's not usually evaluated. You don't have exams, you are not obliged to sit for an exam, and it does not lead to certification. It's like extra courses or evening classes. The other type of education is called informal education. This refers to any learning resulted from activities related to our daily life. For example, what we learn when we go to, when we go to the theater, when we go to the cinema, when we read books, etc. Examples of education. The first type we said formal education, for example, when you go to secondary school, school in general, vocational training, for example, if you want to apply for a job, you have to go for some training, or university studies. These are formal education. Non-formal education, it's like evening classes or literacy classes. Evening classes, that what most students do. You take extra courses to progress in some school subjects. Literacy classes are some classes that people who do not know how to read and write go to school to be able to read and write. Informal education, for example, when you go to theater and when you watch TV, daily life in general. This is how you acquire things informally. Well, thank you for your attention, and I hope you got the lesson, and see you next time. Bye.